Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're just going to be showing you a car that we just got done. It's a 2016 Z06 C7-R, very low miles, very clean car. We did paint protection film over the whole vehicle, window tint, windshield tint, clearplex on top of the windshield, also ceramic coat of the wheels, ceramic coat of the mirrors, APR carbon fiber mirrors. I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around and you guys can check it out. We did just get done with the PPF, so you will see smudges and the water in there, so it has to dry out from the sun. And also for the film, we use Suntek Ultra PPF, and we use SolarGard VortexIR ceramic for the tint. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the quick video. Go Suntek. So you guys can check it out, and also if you want some pre-cut templates for headlights or anything, we sell those. Hit me up, I'll get you guys a kit out there. We even sell the solution, the tax solution also. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Have a good day. Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.